In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to change the lot size inside of MetaTrader 5 on PC. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up MetaTrader 5 like you usually would, and then from here you'll need to open up your account. From here, it should be something like this. From here you'll need to go down to the trade option down here, right click on trade, and then click new order. You can also click F9 on your keyboard to get this page right here. From here, you'll need to change the symbol to the specific symbol that you want to trade with, and that could be anything really. You can change the type from market execution to pending order, and down here you can change the volume, which is also the lot size. And to do that, there's two ways. So you can use these button up here, button down, to change the volume or the lot size, or you can hover over and select everything and just click in what you want to add into your lot size. From here, you can buy by market or sell by market if you want to do that. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!